Meet Yim Si-wan at Korea Travel Fair Singapore 2025. K-culture, travel tips and more. Singapore, get ready, travel enthusiasts. The charming South Korean star Yim Si-wan is set to grace Singapore with his presence, and he's bringing along some fantastic travel tips just for you. At 36 years old, Yim Si-wan has recently captured hearts as player 333, a disgraced cryptocurrency YouTuber, in the much-anticipated Season 2 of Netflix's blockbuster series, Squid Game. Mark your calendars for May 17th, as he will be making a special appearance at the Korea Travel Fair 2025, your gateway to K-culture. This exciting fair, organized by the Korea Tourism Organization, runs from May 16th to 18th at Plaza Singapura, from 10:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. It's not just any fair. This year's edition celebrates a remarkable milestone: 50 years of diplomatic relations between Singapore and South Korea. During the event, Yim, who is also a member of the popular K-pop boy band ZEEA, will take the stage to share his personal travel stories and insider tips. He'll dive into the wonders of his hometown, the vibrant port city of Busan, and reveal his favorite Korean dishes, must-visit travel spots, and even his top filming locations. Don't miss his appearance at the opening ceremony on May 17th, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. But that's not all. The opening ceremony will also feature a live performance by the talented South Korean singer Punch. Known for her captivating voice, Punch, whose real name is Bae Jin-young, has a string of hit K-drama songs that fans adore. She's collaborated with EXO's Chen on the romantic track Every Time from the beloved drama Descendants of the Sun, and teamed up with Chanyeol for the enchanting theme song Stay With Me from the fantasy romance Goblin. Plus, her song Done For Me from the series Hotel del Luna is a fan favorite. Beyond the star-studded appearances, the Korea Travel Fair promises a plethora of engaging activities and workshops. You can dive into personal color analysis, try your hand at traditional lantern making, or even learn some K-pop dance moves. So, whether you're a die-hard fan of Yim Si-wan, a K-drama aficionado, or simply someone looking to explore the rich culture of South Korea, this fair is the perfect place to be. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to connect with K-culture and make unforgettable memories.